Hi, welcome back. Today I'm sharing 3 Japanese style salad dressing that I absolutely love with you, which are waffle dressing, miso dressing, and ponzu garlic dressing. These 3 salad dressing all have very different flavor profile and texture that will goes well with different type of salad. So besides the dressing, we're also making 3 different types of salad today as well. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into the content, shall we? Hi there, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is Erica right here. I'm a Taiwanese citizen currently living in America. Cooking and traveling are my passions, so I'm here to share with you my favorite Asian recipes. I make kitchen trivia short and Asian home cooking recipe on this channel, so if that interests you, please subscribe and keep watching. The first dressing that I want to share with you today is also my absolute favorite of all time, the waffle dressing. Waffle in Japanese means Japanese style. So waffle dressing, what it really means is just a simple homemade Japanese salad dressing, which typically includes soy sauce, vinegar, and vegetable oil. In general, the taste will be sweet and savory with a little bit of sourness in it, but every household have a little twist on their own recipe. This is my favorite waffle dressing recipe that I use constantly, which include a great onion for extra flavor and a thicker texture to carry the sauce. To make the dressing, besides the great onion, mix in all the ingredients listed on the screen and whisk to combine them well together. This dressing is so flavorful that Japanese people love to pair it with simple salad. Something like this with a mixed green, corn, tomato, and a boiled egg. And I also add some sliced olives on top just because I have some in hand. Now drizzle the dressing on top of your salad and enjoy. Number 2 of today is the miso dressing. Miso dressing is a perfect Japanese style coleslaw dressing really. We'll start with yellow miso, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar depending on how sweet is your taste and your miso paste, sake, which is a Japanese rice wine, and some black pepper. Last but not least, we'll add in some yuzu extract that I got in the Japanese grocery store. If you don't have one, you can just use simple lime juice or lemon juice. Mix it well together and done. Now make your coleslaw with shredded 2-color cabbage and carrot. I also like to add some shredded cucumber and Chinese yam. Mix the dressing well together with the ingredients, and you can call me too much, but I like to add some seaweed flakes and sesame seeds on top as well. Now we're done. Oh, it tastes so good. The crunchiness of the ingredients matches with the umami-packed dressing. Best coleslaw ever. The last dressing today is the ponzu garlic dressing, which is super simple to make. This tangy and savory Japanese dressing is perfect for a light and refreshing salad with seafood such as seared salmon or scallop. Use a paper towel to pat dry your salmon, season it with simple salt and pepper, just a little bit because we're using ponzu dressing later. And set the air fryer to 400 Fahrenheit for 9 minutes. Each air fryer works differently, so the 9 minutes is the minimum time and also a checking point. If you're experienced, you can just look at the color and the crispiness, or if you're not, just use a thermometer. If it's not done, adding 30 seconds to a minute at a time to cook to your preference. To make the dressing, simply mix 2 tablespoons of ponzu sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and garlic paste. You can get this in the fresh herb fridge in the grocery store, and if you have no idea what is ponzu, there's a video you should check out after this. But ponzu sauce is basically a citrusy soy sauce. Now mix them well together, and I like to drop in my tomato dice and use it to carry the sauce in my salad. Now when it's all done, it's plating time. Put your mixed green on the bottom of the plate, salmon on top, and ponzu garlic tomato on the side. Or on top if you want. Sprinkle some roast sesame seeds to add a nutty flavor and crunch, and done. It looks so good. Ponzu sauce and garlic go so well together, guys. You have to try it. And that's it for today. Tell me which one is your favorite in a comment down below. Last thing before you go, let's learn how to say salad dressing in Mandarin Chinese. 沙拉酱 salad dressing. 沙拉酱 Thank you for cooking with me to the end. Let me know if you like this recipe by giving this video a thumbs up. It's only gonna take you a second, but it means a lot to me. I make cooking video every Tuesday and Friday, so remember to hit that bell and you'll never miss out. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!